What's going on, guys? It's Sneakerhead616 back here with another video. And today we have the Nike Vomeros. Now, these are getting super popular. This is the first pair I've gotten, and I'm pretty glad that I did get them, so I can put this video out for you guys, because I know a lot of you have some pairs and you wouldn't know how to clean them. So this pair, white mesh, you know how the white mesh goes, pretty dirty all around. Laces need to be cleaned up. Midsole, outsole's not really too bad, just their basic wear. Well, actually, this is pretty nasty. The insides as well, you guys can see like there, the top. So we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys how to clean these up and just get it done pretty quick. Let's get right into it. All right, so before I start the cleaning, I remove the laces. Here I have some water. I'm gonna pour a little bit of bleach in there. I'm gonna take some dish liquid, squirt a little bit of that in there. And then we're going to use that to go ahead and soak these shoelaces. So for the cleaning solution, we're going to use some Rejuvenator, a little bit of dish detergent, and then I'm going to start off by using my medium texture brush. So as I mentioned before, white mesh is annoying to clean, so I'm going to use some hot water, warm water. Just going to go ahead and I'm going to completely soak the shoes. We're going to make sure the mesh is completely soaked. So now I'm just going to start from the tongue and make our way around the entire shoe. Alright, so I got the uppers cleaned up. I can see right here, this part, the dirt in this part of the mesh is really stubborn. So we're going to have to assess this afterwards. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and completely rinse the uppers of the shoe. Then I'm going to use a microfiber cloth right here. I'm just going to go ahead and just squeeze through, just make sure everything is nice and dry. It won't completely dry, but it will get most of the moisture out. Now it's time to clean up the outsole portion of the sneaker. You guys can see here, bottoms as well. I'm going to use a stiff textured brush, the same solution. My phone died, but to show you guys real quick, for the extra little marks that don't really come out during the cleaning, get a cotton round, put some acetone on it, or even some alcohol, and you can just rub along the midsole and it will get all the little stains out. And I also use the same solution for the laces to just go ahead and clean up any major stains that was left on the shoe. Alright guys, at this point the shoes are completely finished. You guys can see everything came out nice and clean and fresh. I'm super pleased with how they came out. Like I said, just a quick cleaning. They look nice. So if you guys want this cheaper done to your own pair, DM my IG at DraceDurations. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment or DM me. I'm always happy to help. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and follow, and I'll see you guys in the next one.